Duze kwami ngino Mr Ziyalala, a founder of the 12th men group. Bhuti sikubingelele.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu kunjani kodwa wele mfethu.
Hayi siyaphila bhuti.
Hayi siyaphila.
It has been a long day. Kodwa finally kubuye ngathi konke sekuhlangene.
Hayi siqedile manje mfethu umsebenzi omkhulu kade sibhekene nawo. Okulauncha ama structures a 12 man group kwi KZN province na kwi eThekwini region. Sekuseleke siyo launcha I North Coast, I Midlands, I South Coast.
Yes.
Ila ama region efanele a launchwe manje. Then masiqeda ukulauncha wona sesiyo launch Eastern Cape, iBloemfontein, Mpumalanga. Ngoba inhloso enkulu esiyenzayo ukuthi sibheke abalandeli bebhola indlela yokuyiphatha emagroundini indlela yokuyiphatha nokuthi sibaluleke ngicabanga ukuthi uzoyikhumbula enye iincident eyenzeka kubalandeli beChiefs bemasha eNaturen ukumasha kwabo it was not a problem but the processes ukuthi iEducation ikhona yini indlela abenza ngayo ngoba kufana noma usebenza enkampanini kunama processes akhona ekufanele uthalandele ngoba kufanele ukuthi wenze njani ubhalele ikampani ukunikeza u7 days notice ikhampani bese isikunikeza indawo ipicketing area la nizopickethela khona that was very important ukuthi leyo izinto ezikanjalo how do we educate i12 man group kamfethu inhlangano yabalandeli efundisa ngabalandeli indlela yokuyiphatha not ngoba bengakwazi ukuyiphatha bakwazi ukuyiphatha but thina ukuthi to workshop and put the skill and put the knowledge eyintweni ezenzakalayo ngoba kubalekile ukuthi we put knowledge uyakhumbula ngekhathi zophathi komafani into yayenza kwakusuka ophathi komafani beze la ko cathedral beze kubalandeli bezokhuluma nabo ama PRO amanje ayakwenza lokho no they don't so even ama PRO amanje aqashe lisahlala ema office but the numbers are there on the ground akufanele uhlalelane e-office yini ozoyenza e-office ufuna ukuthi you go to the people, go to your members, workshop them and mobilize and recruit and do strategic planning. How can we go there? Like Amazulu, masokhumbula Amazulu. Ayisupportwa kakhulu abantu akuthiwa abantu basema-hostel oba basebebadala. What went wrong? We have to go back to basic. Ukuthi okay, ilahleke kuphi social media ithathe i-platform eningi abantu sebethembele kakhulu ku social media so thina si12 man group we are tapping in that space to assist ama PRO nama team ukuthi sibalekelele si workshop abalandeli indlela yokuyiphatha e-stadium kushiswa ama ground GBV bullying zonke izinto ezenzakalayo i-racism GBV zonke lezo ziningi ubani obafundisa indlela yokuyiphatha yes akhona ama-team amakhulu you can name them but bayaba workshop yini babafundise ngendlela yokuyiphatha kuza iDabi on the 26 bayabafundisa indlela yokuyiphatha ngoba ama-tickets afika dayisa phela bese kuba khona lama-tickets ama-scam how do we workshop abantu ababalandeli bakho ukuthi masephelile ama-tickets lama-tickets ama-scam aqhamuka kanjani how do they come up how do they identify it so ezinye zezinto thina as-12 man group that's what we are doing we are specializing ukuthi let's workshop and assist ama team endlela lokuyiphatha kwabalandeli izinto ezenzakalayo thola ukuthi kunabafowethu ababhema logwayi lokhuzana logwayi lo bhema thothi kunomuntu osifazana uhleli nengane but kuyabhema izinto ezenza sizibukayo ma stadium mina ngihlala ku VIP ngifuna iVIP ngihlala lapha ku general ngoba we want to understand and identify ama-issues izinto ezenzakalayo that they're getting across then nokuthi umlandeli uyazi ukuthi uyena omgogodla womnotho ebholeni uyena othenga ijezi uyena othenga ithikithi uyena ofaka umnotho emateksini bahambamba ngama-tax uyena okhokha masekufika egoli uyena umuntu ofika ubhukha ihotel ukuthi athenge ithikithi indawo yokulala end of the day yena i-team, how do they look after that person, lo muntu ofaka umnotho. Siphinde sibuye size la thina la abalandeli kakhulu balamathima amakhulu support amathima asegoli, sifaka umnotho kwenye province. But e-province yethu yabo nje uma kudlala iDurban City ne-Arrows namhlanje ngeke sigcwale stadium. Ngeke size sigcwale. Ask yourself why. Ziningi izinto ama-activations abawenzi. Awubaboni benza bahlalelana ukuthi hayi abalandeli bazoyizela abalandeli. Kuthiwa kunesisho sithi uMahomed intaba yiyi kuMahomed. uMahomed oyentabeni ubani odinga intaba uMahomed nabo ama-PRO thina siyi-12 man group we welcome, we want to work with anyone, wonke ama-team ngoba sifuna ukulekelela bona sibasize indlela iy'nkinga ababhekana nazo along the way, ama-activation we want to assist them, we want to work with them. Thina sinama-strategies esinawo ukuthi okay asihambeni seni ama-hostel siyokwenza ama-activation, asiyeni endaweni ezimjondolo siyokwenza ama-activation, asiye emalokishini siyokwenza ama-activation. But if beza besebenzisana nathi thina sokwazi ukuthi sibalekelele ngoba I've been ema-branchini, ama-branch chiefs ngiyawahambela, awe-Pirates, awe-Sundowns, Durban City, Mazulu ngiyawahambela. Yabo ngoba manje i-process esikuyona sifuna ukusebenza nalama team anaba like i-Arrows bangapha abalandeli be-Arrows bancane. So what we want to work with the PRO ye-Arrows, the PRO ye-Durban City, PRO ye-Richards Bay, good guys, let's do these activations.